Hello, grade 12. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope you fully enjoyed your vacation. So, welcome back to my lecture. So, we are on the chapter 6 Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So, today we will discuss next part of the chapter. So, the genetic material is DNA that you all know. DNA is the genetic material which is proved by the Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. That is also known as Hershey and Chase experiment that they conducted in 1952. They worked on the virus that infect bacteria, that is known as bacteriophage. So during the infection, the bacteriophage first attacks the bacterial cell wall and it inserts its genetic material into bacterial cell. Then the viral genetic material became the part of the bacterial genome. It manufactured more virus particle using host content, using host machinery, replicative method. Okay, and Hershey and Chase worked to discover whether it was protein or DNA from the virus that entered the bacteria. So the experiment done by Blanders, that is known as Blanders experiment, what he did, they grew some virus on a medium having radioactive phosphorus, some others on the medium having radioactive sulfur. Viruses grown in radioactive phosphorus have radioactive DNA but not radioactive protein. Why? Because phosphorus present in DNA, not in the protein. Viruses grown in radioactive sulfur have radioactive protein, not radioactive DNA, because sulfur present in the protein but not in the DNA. Okay. So in this slide, firstly, what they did, protein coat of the phase are radioactive labeled. The second step, the phases infect bacteria with their genetic material. After that, no radioactivity entered in the cell. Okay, and in the next step, DNA of the phase 1 is radioactive labeled. Second is the phases infect bacteria with genetic material. Third is radioactivity cell entered. The radioactive phases are allowed to infect E. coli bacteria. The phases transfer their genetic material to the bacteria. The viral coats were separated from the bacteria surface by the blender. So the virus particles were separated from the bacteria by centrifuge machine, that is known as centrifugation. So what they observe, first, bacteria infected with virus that has radioactive DNA, that were radioactive, no radioactivity in the supernatant. Second, bacteria infected with virus that had radioactive protein were not radioactive, but radioactivity found in the supernatant. So what was the conclusion of that experiment? First is the DNA is infecting agents that made the bacteria radioactive. Hence, DNA is genetic material, not the protein. Okay. After that, what was the criteria for the genetic material? First criteria, that should be able to generate its replica. That means replication can be seen in the genetic material. Second, it should be chemically and structurally stable. Third, it should provide slow changes, that is also known as mutation, which is required for the evolution. Next is it should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian character. That What was the Mendelian character? Next, protein does not fulfill the criteria, hence it is not the genetic material. And RNA and DNA fulfill the criteria. So RNA is genetic material in viruses. Okay. Now the replication of DNA. It is the process by which DNA produces the exact copy of the original DNA. Okay. In eukaryotes, DNA is double stranded. The two strands which are complementary to each other because of their base sequence. Because you know A with pair with T and C with G. These are the complementary to each other. Now, semi-conservative methods of DNA replication. First is, it is the most common method of DNA replication. Second, it takes place in the nucleus where the DNA is present. Okay. Third one is the replication take place in the S phase of a cell cycle. There are different phases in cell cycle. S phase, G phase, M phase. Okay. So deoxyribose nucleotide needed for the formation of new DNA strand which is present in the nucleoplasm. So at the time of replication, two strands of DNA separates. Each strand acts as a template for the formation of new strand. And a new strand is constructed on each old strand by complementary base pairing. That you know what is complementary base pairing, I told you in previous lectures. Hence, two exactly identical double-stranded DNA molecules are formed. In the given picture, you can see the DNA replicating itself. Which one is old and which one is new, you can see. In each new DNA molecule, one strand is old while the other is newly formed. Hence, Watson and Crick describe this method as a semi-conservative mode of replication. As the name indicates, semi-conservative. That means half part that will be conserved for the next generation. So, in the semi-conservative nature of the DNA by Matthew Mendelssohn and Franklin, okay. So, what they did, he put E. coli in the N15 labeled medium. In zero generation, N15 labeled E. coli added to N14 medium. Here gravitational force will be applied on N15. After that, cells will replicate once in N14. Then generation 1, in generation 2, cells replicate in second time in N14. In generation 3, cells again will replicate in third time. So here we will get some heavy isotopes of nitrogen which contain 15. That means nitrogen labeled with 15. And some hybrid. That means they contain N15 as well as N14. And in the after 40 minutes in next generation, they find light as well as hybrid strands are there. Okay, and they separated the DNA by centrifugation method. Now, semi-conservative nature of DNA by Matthew Mendelssohn and Franklin Stahl, they grew E. coli on N15 NH4Cl culture medium. N15 is the heavy isotope of the nitrogen. Both strands of DNA have N15. Okay. And when these bacteria are shifted to NH4Cl culture medium, that means N14, then DNA extracted subjected to the cesium chloride or CaCl density gradient centrifugation. So what they get? Hybrid or intermediate type of the DNA. That means N15 and N14. So after next generation, equal amount of the light DNA, that means N14, and hybrid, which is N15 and N14 are formed. So rest part we will discuss in the next lecture. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy.